Hello everyone, and welcome back to Algebra and Geometry Explained. In this video, you'll learn how to solve absolute value equations. Let's get started. The absolute value of a number is its distance from zero on the number line. Distance is always positive. Let's say we have a number line with 0 in the middle. To the right, we have positive numbers like 1, 2, and 3. To the left, we have negative numbers like -1, -2, and -3. Now take the numbers 3 and -3. They are both 3 units away from 0, just on opposite sides, so their absolute value is the same. We write this as absolute value of 3 equals 3. Absolute value of -3 equals 3. The absolute value symbol looks like 2 vertical bars. Let's solve a simple equation. The absolute value of x equals 7. This means x is 7 units from 0. That gives us 2 solutions, x equals 7 and x equals -7. If the absolute value of x equals a number, we write x equals that number or its opposite. Next example, the absolute value of x equals 0. There's only one answer, x equals 0. Now let's solve. The absolute value of x minus 5 equals 3. Step 1. Write 2 equations. X minus 5 equals 3 and x minus 5 equals -3. Solve both. X minus 5 equals 3. Add 5 to both sides. X equals 8. X minus 5 equals -3. Add 5 to both sides. X equals 2. So the answer is x equals 8 or x equals 2. Let's solve. The absolute value of x minus 3 equals 7. Step 1. Write 2 equations. First, x minus 3 equals 7. Second, x minus 3 equals -7. Now solve both. For the first one, add 3 to both sides. X equal 10. For the second one, add 3 to both sides. X equals -4. So the solution is x equals 10 or x equals -4. Now let's solve an equation where a number is multiplied by the absolute value. Let's say 2 times the absolute value of x plus 1 equals 8. Step 1. Divide both sides by 2. Now you have the absolute value of x plus 1 equals 4. Step 2. Split into 2 equations. First, x plus 1 equals 4. Second, x plus 1 equals -4. Now solve both. From the first, subtract 1 from both sides, x equals 3. From the second, subtract 1 from both sides, x equals -5. So the solution is x equals 3 or x equals -5. Let's try a multi-step equation. 3 times the absolute value of 2x minus 1 plus 5 equals 11. Step 1. Subtract 5 from both sides. Now you have 3 times the absolute value of 2x minus 1 equals 6. Step 2. Divide both sides by 3. Now you have the absolute value of 2x minus 1 equals 2. Step 3. Write two equations. First, 2x minus 1 equals 2. Second, 2x minus 1 equals negative 2. Now solve both. For the first, add 1 to both sides. 2x equals 3. Divide both sides by 2, x equals 3 over 2. For the second, add 1 to both sides. 2x equals negative 1. Divide both sides by 2. X equals negative 1 over 2. The solution is x equals 3 over 2, or x equals negative 1 over 2. Let's solve. The absolute value of x plus 2 equals negative 4. Is this possible? No. Absolute value can never equal a negative number. The absolute value of any number is always 0 or greater. So in this case, the answer is no solution. Now let's solve an equation with variables on both sides. The absolute value of 2x minus 1 equals x plus 5. Step 1. Write two equations. First, 2x minus 1 equals x plus 5. Second equation, 2x minus 1 equals the negative of open parentheses x plus 5 close parentheses. First equation, subtract x from both sides. X minus 1 equals 5. Add 1 to both sides, x equals 6. Second, 2x minus 1 equals negative, open parentheses, x plus 5. Distribute the negative. 2x minus 1 equals negative x minus 5. Add x to both sides. 3x minus 1 equals negative 5. Add 1 to both sides. 3x equals negative 4. Divide both sides by 3. X equals negative 4 over 3. First, check x equals 6. We have the absolute value of 2 times 6 minus 1 equals 6 plus 5. That gives the absolute value of 12 minus 1 equals 11. So absolute value of 11 equals 11. Since both sides are equal, x equals 6 is a solution. Now check x equals negative 4/3. Plug it into both sides. The absolute value of 2 times negative 4 over 3 minus 1 equals negative 4 over 3 plus 5. Then using a common denominator, we have the absolute value of negative 8 minus 3 over 3 equals negative 4 plus 15 over 3. Next, we have the absolute value of negative 11 over 3 equals 11 over 3. Both sides are equal. Therefore, x equals negative 4 over 3 is also a solution. Finally, the solution of this absolute value equation is x equals 6, or x equals negative 4 over 3. Let's do one more example. The equation is the absolute value of x plus 1 equals 2x minus 1. Step 1. Write two equations. First equation, x plus 1 equals 2x minus 1. Subtract x from both sides. 1 equals x minus 1. Add 1 to both sides. X equals 2. Second equation, x plus 1 equals the negative of 2x minus 1. Distribute the negative. X plus 1 equals negative 2x plus 1. Subtract x from both sides. 1 equals negative 3x plus 1. Subtract 1 from both sides. 0 equals negative 3x. Divide by negative 3. X equals 0. Now check both solutions in the original equation. Absolute value of 2 plus 1 equals 2 times 2 minus 1. Absolute value of 3 equals 4 minus 1. Absolute value of 3 equals 3. Both sides are equal. X equals 2 is a solution. Now let's check x equals 0. Absolute value of 0 plus 1 equals 2 times 0 minus 1. 1 equals negative 1 is false. X equals 0 is an extraneous solution. Finally, the solution of the absolute value equation is x equals 2. Thanks for watching this lesson on absolute value equations. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Algebra and Geometry Explained. Leave a comment if you would like to see a video on absolute value inequalities next. See you in the next video.